Modes of Nutrition by Isabella Dovalina and Caitlin Baker. Overview. All organisms need a supply of organic nutrients. They are needed for growth and reproduction. Ways of getting those carbon compounds can be divided into two types. Those who make their own carbon compounds, autotrophic. Those who obtain carbon compounds from other organisms, heterotrophic. Autotrophs, organisms that are self-feeding, produces its own food. Examples are corpse lilies and gnostic. Heterotrophs, organisms that feed on other organisms to survive. Examples are fruit fly and lion. Mixotrophs are organisms that uses both methods of nutrients. Example, Venus flytraps and pitcher plants. Traditional consumers, a group that falls under heterotroph, is consumer, which are organisms which ingest living matter / recently dead. Examples are Euglena and assassin bug. Detrivores is a decomposer that internally digests dead organisms and then absorbs the products of digestion. Examples are earthworms and woodlice. Saprotroph. Saprotrophs are deconsumers that have secrete digestive enzymes into the dead organic matter and digest it externally. Examples are mushrooms and bread molds. Multiple choice. Which of the following species do not get their nutrients heterotrophically? A. Pine tree. B. Rabbit. C. Mold. D. Lion. Number 2. Which one of those consumers through more than one mode of nutrition? A. Heterotrophic. B. Detrivore. C. Mixotroph. D. Traditional consumer. Answers to multiple choice. Short answer questions. Sketch a flowchart for the different modes of nutrition. 2. Compare and contrast the roles of saprotrophs and detrivores. Give specific examples of each within your answer. If your flowchart looks something along these lines, then you are correct. Short answer to number 2. A saprotroph are a deconsumer that have sacred digestive enzymes into the dead organic matter and digest it externally, for example, mushrooms. A detrivore is a deconsumer that internally digests dead organisms and then absorbs the products of digestion, for example, earthworms. Thus, the difference is their forms of digestion, saprotrophs being external and detrivore being internal.
Quiet. She's doing a video thingy. Yeah, you're rude. You're being rude. That's what you are.